Hi guys, this is your next question from Cat24, the third slot. Please pause the video and give it a try, and you can resume for its solution. So the question says, for any non-zero real number x, let f of x plus twice f of 1 by x is equal to 3x. Then the sum of all possible values of x for which f of x is equal to 3 is. So it's a very easy question. Let's see how we deal with this. It says f of x plus twice f of 1 by x is equal to 3x. The next step is to replace x by 1 by x in the given equation. So first term will become f of 1 upon x plus the second term would be twice f of reciprocal of 1 by x will be x only is equal to 3 into x will become 3 into 1 by x or 3 by x. And now this equation we simply multiply by 2 throughout. It will become twice f of 1 by x plus 2 into 2 4 f of x is equal to twice of 3 by x will become 6 by x. Now we'll call the original equation as 1 and this new equation as 2. The next step is to do 2 minus 1. Subtract the first equation from the second one. So next step, twice f of 1 by x would get cancelled out. 4fx minus f of x will be 3fx is equal to 6 by x minus 3x. Now the next step, the question says f of x should be equal to 3. So in place of f of x, I will simply substitute the value 3. So our left hand side is 3 into 3, 9, which is equal to 6 upon x minus 3x. We are just one step away in getting our answer. Multiply throughout by x. This equation will become 9x is equal to 6 minus 3x square. Or if you rearrange this equation, it will become a quadratic 3x square plus 9x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now for this quadratic equation, we notice that the sum of the roots is always equal to minus b by a minus the coefficient of x, which is 9 in this case, upon the coefficient of x square, which is 3 in this case. This will be equal to minus 3. So sum of the possible values of x that satisfy this equation is nothing but minus 3, right? And that's exactly what you want to find in the question. Sum of all possible values of x. In this case, it is the sum of all the roots of this quadratic equation, that is minus 3. And thereby the correct answer to our question is option B, minus 3. Simple question, and that's how we solve it. The answer is option B, minus 3. Please remember this technique. Whenever you see a similar question, fx and f of 1 by x, there is a very good chance that you are going to follow the same procedure.